Hello everyone, welcome to FIXUNLOCKER YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can add fund through TRC20 or gateway. First, you need to select the gateway. I have been select gateway USDT TRC20. Now select your amount. I have select $50. So now click next. Okay. Now click pay now. If you are using a gateway application, then scan the QR code, or if you are not using the gateway application, then follow the step by step. This time I'm using Binance application. So I have already logged in my Binance account, then click withdraw and copy the address from web and paste to Binance and select Chrome TRC20. Select the amount there. At the Binance, there will show on percent USDT transfer fee. So I have select 50 on, then on dollar was fee and $50 was added automatic to our web. Okay, now security check. Okay, now you need to wait a few minutes to complete the process. Already here is done. My Binance shows complete and web also show complete. Now click to back to merchant. After click to back to merchant automatic will transfer to our website and need to wait a few moments to complete the process. Note you must need to follow our video step by step. If you failed anything, just directly contact our WhatsApp. I will help you instant, no problem. Now need to wait a few moments to complete the process. Okay, now they are already added the balance to our website account. Thanks for working with us. Have a good day. Always follow our YouTube channel. Thank you.